Chef Norm would like to show you how to cook Thai spring rolls, one of popular and delicious food in Thailand. The way to cook is not very difficult. Everyone who loves cooking can cook it. The ingredients used in this menu are bean sprout, Chinese mushrooms, cabbage, carrot, glass noodles, minced pork, skinless garlic, coriander root, pepper, and these are for making the seasoning. Consists of sugar, oyster sauce, white soy sauce, vegetable oil, and these are the spring roll cheese. You can buy the spring roll cheese from the supermarket. And this is the egg white that we will use when folding spring rolls. And now she will prepare the vegetables to make the filling of the spring rolls. Cutting coriander roots into small pieces and set aside, followed by slicing of Chinese mushrooms. And making the shredded carrot. This carrot has been peeled its skins already. And cut cabbage into strips. Now she has finished preparing the vegetables. After this, she will pour the garlic, coriander root, and pepper together.
พริกไทยนะคะนี่เราจะใช้พริกไทยดำ
Pour the pepper first. It may take some time to pour the pepper. When it crushed enough, put the garlic and coriander roots into the mortar.
แล้วก็กระเทียมนะคะ
Pour them until it's crushed and mixed together. Remove it from the mortar and set aside. The next step is to bring the garlic, coriander root and pepper that has been powdered just now to be stir fried. Put some vegetable oils into the wok. Stir fry the mushrooms. Stir fry until the mushrooms nearly cooked. And add some the powdered ingredients. Stir fry for a while and put in the minced pork. When the pork is cooked, add sugar, oyster sauce, white soy sauce, bean sprout, and the last ones are shredded carrot and cabbage. Stir fry until the vegetable cooked. And the spring rolls can be eaten with the sauce that can be bought from the supermarket. And now the vegetables is cooked. She will bring the glass noodle to be stir fried. Stir fry until it's mixed together well, and then turn off the gas. Making the filling of spring roll is finished. She will remove it and put it to the bowl and let it cool.
เราจะเทใส่ถ้วยก่อนนะคะเพราะว่าเราจะพักไว้ให้เขาเย็นสักครู่เดี๋ยวกัน
This is the filling of spring rolls. Now to get everything ready to roll up the spring rolls.
ก็จะวางปอกเปี๊ยะแบบนี้นะคะ
Spread out a spring roll sheet and heap the spring roll fillings on it.
เอามาจิตๆข้างล่างแล้วก็หมอแล้วก็ม้วน
Fold the ends over the filling to form a cylinder.
ก็เอาไข่ขาวทา
Apply the egg white on spring roll sheets. This egg white will help stick the spring roll cheese when we frying it.
แล้วเราก็พับเข้ามาแล้วก็ม้วนนี่นะคะม้วนก็ลงไปเวลาทอดแล้วเขาจะได้แบบก็จะพับด้านซ้ายแล้วก็ด้านขวาแล้วก็ม้วนอันนี้ใจนิดนึงแผ่นปอกเปี๊ยะเขาแห้งมันจะไม่ค่อยติดเลย
The next step is to fry the spring rolls.
ต่อไปเราจะมาตั้งกระทะใส่น้ำมันแล้วเราจะเอาปอกเปี๊ยะลงไปทอดตอนนี้น้ำมันร้อนแล้วเราก็จะเอาปอกเปี๊ยะที่เราห่อเมื่อกี้นะคะลงไปทอด
Fry the spring rolls in hot oil over medium heat.
ใช้ไฟปานกลางนะคะ
Fry until crisp and golden brown.
แล้วอันนี้ก็สุกแล้วนะคะแล้วก็จะเอาขึ้นมา
Drain and remove it from the wok and let it cool. In order to easy eating, she will cut the spring roll into smaller pieces. The spring roll will be served with spring roll sauce that you can buy from the market.
เป็นเมนูที่ทำไม่ยากนะคะ ถ้ายังไงลองไปทำทานดู เดี๋ยวลองมาชิมกันนะคะ